In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up or choose your AdSense for YouTube payment method. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, if you go to your YouTube studio and then under Earn, one of the requirements is you have to set up your payment method. And if you look here under Getting Paid, it is currently reading set up in progress, which means I've not finished setting up my payment method. To do so, you need to go to your YouTube AdSense account and under it, go under payments here, choose this option called payment info. Now, when you tap on payment info, it will open up your payment account for your YouTube. Now, for my case, I already have payment methods that were already set because I've been using this account for my website. However, I'll also need to go ahead and set up a payment method for my AdSense for YouTube account. To do so, just go to this section called How You Get Paid and then choose a payment method by typing on choose a payment method here or choose payment method here. And you can see I currently have these two payment methods that are currently active, but I have selected none of them. So for this case, if you have none, you'll have an option to go ahead and add a payment method, a new payment method. But if you already have, you only need to go ahead and choose from this. For instance, I want to choose wire transfer to bank account, and I have already set up my account here. So I'll only go ahead and select it by typing on none, and then it will give me an option to set it as primary. And now you can see between wire transfer and Western Union, I have chosen wire transfer to bank to be my primary payment method. At this point, all the payments, once you hit the threshold, will be sent to your bank directly. And now if you go back to your YouTube studio and refresh the page, you can see under Getting Paid is now set up and complete. And you can read here, great job, you have completed payment setup. So that's how you set up your payment method on your AdSense for YouTube. Now from here henceforth, if you meet the payment threshold and you have no payment on hold, you'll typically receive your payment between 21st and 26th of the month. And put in mind that is the payment for the previous month. So that's how you set up payment for your AdSense for YouTube account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.